Welcome to Health Talk, your trusted source for natural wellness and nutrition. Today, we're diving into the world of an incredible yet underrated superfruit, the silver berry. Also known as Oleaster or Eleagnus, silver berries might not be on your radar yet, but by the end of this video, you'll want them on your plate. Silver berries grow on a hardy shrub found in parts of Europe and Asia. These berries are instantly recognizable by their silvery skin with specks of orange and red once fully ripe. But they're more than just pretty, they're a nutritional powerhouse that's been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Let's talk about what makes silver berries so special. They're rich in vitamins A, C, and E, three essential antioxidants that protect your cells, enhance your immune system, and support skin health. They also contain potassium, calcium, and iron, all of which are crucial for heart health, bone strength, and energy production. Thanks to their high fiber content, silver berries also support healthy digestion and can even help regulate blood sugar levels. In traditional medicine, they're known for their anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties, making them a true superfruit in every sense. Now, the fun part: how do you eat silver berries? If you find them fresh, you can simply rinse and eat them raw. The taste is slightly sweet with a hint of tartness, especially when they're fully ripe. Here are some easy and delicious ways to add silver berries to your diet. First, smoothies. Blend a cup of silver berries with banana, yogurt, and a little honey for a tangy, creamy smoothie. Second, add them to your breakfast, sprinkle on top of cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt bowls. Third, salads. Their tartness pairs beautifully with greens, nuts, and feta cheese. Fourth, baked goods. Fold them into muffin or bread batter for a healthy twist. Fifth, make homemade jam. Just cook them down with honey or dates for a delicious spread that's free of refined sugar. You might be wondering where to find silver berries. Depending on your location, you can get them fresh at farmers markets or specialty stores, especially in Eastern Europe or Central Asia. But don't worry if they're not local, silver berries are also available dried or powdered online and in health food stores. When buying dried berries, make sure they are unsweetened and free from additives. You can soak them in water overnight to rehydrate them for smoothies or use the powder in your baking and shakes. Let's walk through a quick silver berry smoothie recipe you can try today. Take 1 ripe banana, half a cup of yogurt, a handful of silver berries, and a drizzle of honey. Blend until smooth. Optional, add a few ice cubes or a splash of almond milk for extra creaminess. In just 1 glass, you're getting a burst of antioxidants and natural energy. Silver berries may be small, but their benefits are mighty. Whether you're looking to boost immunity, improve digestion, or add natural antioxidants to your meals, this fruit deserves a spot in your kitchen. Give them a try, your body will thank you. Did you enjoy today's health tips? Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more health insights. Comment below with your thoughts, questions, or health tips. Share this video with friends who could benefit from a healthier lifestyle.